We are going to finish it.
Meanwhile, in New York, this warning sound, familiar here, is still unfamiliar there. New Yorkers are being trained to take cover. It's a rehearsal, not the real thing, but the people are evidently facing the prospect of air raid seriously. The famous Times Square is completely deserted, cars are parked, and there are few signs of life in the streets until the all clear. It's a new experience for them. Let's hope New York, with its skyscrapers, never knows the real thing. Then there's the blackout. Americans follow our example and profit by our experience. For instance, though headlights must be dimmed, they start with a full allowance of 2 slits. And sandbag buildings are all part of the same pattern of war. War that is now worldwide.